Every night, our system conducts a dry run, a test to see what would happen if we ran the transition on your system today, whether or not it would produce errors. Once this dry run completes error-free, you will be eligible to be invited. Once invited, you will see a link at the top of your admin console that allows you to begin the transition. If you have not yet been invited, rather than seeing the Begin link, you will see a link to the Prepare screen. Once you click Begin Transition on the next screen, you will not be able to edit your Postini configuration. It is best to review your settings before hitting Begin Transition. In this example, you can see we have a few OUs and an on-premise email server. Clicking Begin takes you to a screen that allows you to see all of your non-blocking errors, giving you the opportunity to make changes before clicking Begin Transition and placing Postini into a state that cannot be edited. Once you click Begin Transition, you will be taken to another screen that says thank you for beginning your transition to Google Apps. Now that your system is transitioning, Postini is in a read-only state. Once the transition completes, you can check your configuration in Apps. On the right, you can see the org structure that was copied from Postini. In this example, we transitioned an OU that routes mail to an on-premise mail server. When you click that OU, you will see it populated with Postini-only users. Under the Gmail settings in Apps, you can look under User Settings to discover how the routing to your on-premise mail server transitioned. You can then take a tour through the settings to see how your configuration transitioned, checking areas such as blocked senders, attachment compliance rules, compliance footers, IP lock settings, etc. Once you are happy with your configuration, you will want to copy the settings to your OUs that contain your Gmail users. A tip you can use when reviewing your settings is to type local in the search box to view the settings directly applied to that OU. If you look in Billing, you can see your Google Apps message security licenses, which have been applied to the users assigned to on-premise mail servers. Once your transition is complete, you will be notified by email. You can then log back into Postini, where you will be given the option to click Continue. Once you click Continue, you'll be taken to a Verify screen where you will confirm that you have verified your app's settings. Once you verify and click Next, you will be taken to a screen that will allow you to enable pass-through. To enable pass-through, select the top OU and all sub-orgs, then click Finish Transition. The example used in this demo was a GMS hybrid transition. If this were a GMD transition, clicking Finish Transition would begin the GMD data migration.